Looking to keep your finishes looking their best without having to spend a lot of time doing it? Flitz has you covered with our new sealant, a specially formulated hydrophobic spray designed to protect and enhance painted surfaces, fiberglass, all metals, glass, plastics, marble, granite, man-made surfaces, and more. Just spray and wipe with a clean soft microfiber and wipe off. It's just that quick and easy. And unlike wax, there's no drying time required, so you'll be done in minutes. Protect your finishes against salt corrosion, harmful UV rays, water and bug stains, bird droppings, and so much more. Plus, best of all, this lasts, giving you up to a year's worth of protection with one just easy application. Stop spending all that time waxing and cleaning and pick up a bottle of Flitz Sealant today.